Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mirror image in Affinity Designer. The first thing I want you to do is actually just bring in your image. I'll go ahead and duplicate this. I'll do Control C, Control V. I'll bring in another image just to show you. And then what I want you to do is come here, click on Vector, right? And then make sure you have your image selected. Then come and click on this icon. This is the transform icon. And you can flip it horizontal, as you can see. You can go ahead and flip it vertical. You can go ahead and rotate them as well. But if you want to just mirror this, you can mirror this horizontally like that, as you can see. And that is what it would look like when it is mirrored. And you can also go ahead and do it like this. So if you want the mirror to be near the top and bottom, you can go ahead and do that as well. You can mirror that differently. But that is how to mirror image in Affinity Designer. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.